Welcome everyone to Nail Fantasy. I am Chris and today I'm gonna draw the winners of last week's giveaway. I had 6 valid entries. They are all in here. The names of those people are all in here. And I'm gonna, without further ado, just pick one out of here. I'm gonna look away, don't see anything as you can see. I'm gonna pick one name, and the name is No Gods, No Glory. Congratulations, Kathy. Please contact me via email. You have my email. You can also send me a PM and let me know to which address I should send the prizes. Congratulations again, and to everybody else, there will be other giveaways coming up, so please don't be sad. It's gonna be you probably the next time. That was it already for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all are safe and stay inside, and despite the circumstances we face right now, I wish you all a wonderful day wherever you are. We will get through this, and I hope to see you in my next video. Ta-ta.